You can serve with one syrup. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more fancy mocktail. The mocktail name is Rabadi Paradise Mocktail. How to make Rabadi Paradise Mocktail is very simple mocktail you can try. First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cream into the shaker glass. After that, you have to add 30 to 40 ml of Rabadi crush. You have to Rabadi crush you have to add. Then you have to add 60 to 90 120 ml of lychee juice. After that, you have to add 2 lemon. One more lemon you have to squeeze. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Total. Then take in a type of tall glass and pour all the ingredients. That's it. Then simply you have to add 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup. Then simply you have to add some Sprite. Slowly you have to add that Sprite. Then take another glass, add some granulated syrup and add some fresh soda. And slowly you have to, with the help of bar spoon, or slowly you have to pour the drinks. Slowly. Yeah, the fancy color can. That's it. Then you can garnish with on slices and then on. You can serve with one syrup. See how the fancy 3-layer mocktail is ready. This is the this is what Rabadi Paradise Mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you want to serve, you can serve with on straw also. Yes, yes. Thank you. One. Yes. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.